Are you a software tester working in an organization? Are you an aspiring individual who want to kickstart the career into the field of software testing? Are you already somebody who's been having a lot of experience in the software testing but want to add an additional feather in the cap? If yes, this is the right place. Hello everybody. This is an introduction tutorial for the ISTQB, which stands for International Software Testing Qualification Board certification, in which I want to, as your mentor and as your guide, want to let you know what and how this certification can be best for you. This course tutorial for the ISTQB is going to help you prepare and understand the concepts of the ISTQB through a very interactive mode. In these tutorials, we will be guiding you through the different chapters which are required for you to clear the ISTQB. We are going to be with you as your companion right from the beginning of the tutorials till the time you give your exam and you clear it. If you're wondering, is this course for me? Why not? As I mentioned, this course is for anybody who has the experience or has not any experience in the field of IT, but you want to get certified. The benefits of doing this certification will be, if you are aspiring for your jobs and you have done this certification, this is a guarantee that after doing this certification, getting prepared with us, your chances of job will increase. If you're already working in an organization and want to start getting into more challenging role within the organization, again, this certification will be very helpful for you to pick up and understand what exactly software testing is and how it can be done. So whether you come with an experience or whether you come without any experience, trust us, you will be able to get the best out of it. Clearing ISTQB is not difficult. It needs a bit of smart work and the correct guidance. And that is what we are targeting here, to provide you with the best content in hand and, in addition to that, the best video lectures. I have been with the industry teaching the ISTQB certification for around 20 years, and I'll be very proud to say that many of my students have got ISTQB certified. Yes, this certification will need a lot of self-study from you as well, but in addition to this, if you are following these video lectures very carefully, it will become much more easier. In order to clear the certification, you would need some prerequisites. You would need a good material in hand, which I will guide you how you can. We are shooting this video today, but let's say after an year you are watching this tutorial, you want to upgrade yourself. It might so happen that the version of ISTQB certificate would have changed or enhanced. So I'm going to guide you how you can download the latest syllabus and then proceed with your ISTQB certification. In the next tutorial, students, we are going to also guide you the whole ISTQB bundle. What are the different levels in which the certifications can be done? And post our third video, we will be kickstarting and understanding as to how the ISTQB works and what are the core concepts of ISTQB. Hearing all this, I hope you're as excited as me to start this exciting journey of ISTQB certification. We will keep talking throughout our video tutorials. For now, I'll take a leave and wish you all the best as you start this journey with us. Do not wait. Please play the next video and get started with us. Thank you and take care. Looking forward to see you soon. Goodbye.